schedule like 3 hours.
Well, actually, we're gonna need some of the, in fact, we're gonna need some of your paisanos to help.
You need what?
We're gonna need some of your paisanos.
Some of your people, some of the Filipino people.
Yeah. So
Dollars.
Yeah, you know, they might not trust, you know, my skin here, you know. So. We can mix it up a little.
Santa Crusa meeting.
Okay. We have somebody.
May 17, 2010.
By the way, if you want to have some pizza, I brought some pizza for you.
And we brought water. We just I said to go get water.
Oh, wait, that's it, double pizza. Thank you. Okay, that's good enough. Any questions though? Joe, say?
Just on the where it says the food. This is the grupo de oración will be the tacos.
We're still with the tickets.
Actually, they're not doing the tacos.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. How do we want to?
Yeah. Remember, taco is a taquero.
Yeah.
It's not thin.
I know. I just don't know the name.
Yeah. Remember the discussion we had. There's only going to be 2 booths for Comida Mexicana making food. One's a big multi, and then the taquero.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
That's how it's done.
So anyway, we finished with the ticket. You don't need anything, or you could just give you two slips to help you out in the room.
Oh, okay.
We'll get a couple.
What's the schedule? From what time to what time are we going to be open?
As it was mentioned in the last, it was from, well, Father, we have mentioned that we will open the food booth starting after the Mass of the 10 a.m.
That's fine.
So
the taco man's not going to be there till 2:30. The taquero. You can still have Comida Mexicana. The taco man doesn't come till 2:30. He comes basically after the procession. He'll be ready after the procession.
He's not going to serve after the 11:30 Mass.
No, you can serve stuff at 10. You just are not going to have tacos till 2:30. Tacos is an afternoon food anyways. No te preocupes. You know, don't worry. Tacos afternoon.
No. The gente mexicana, they want rice and beef for breakfast.
Well, we're going to have the soup for the morning. We'll have the others going at the same time, like a Sunday breakfast. The reason I hired the taquero because we were having a confusion at the time. But the taquero will start at 2:30 and go until he's out of food. It's like 4 or 6 hours later.
Okay.
Are we having lechon?
Yeah.
So just to clarify our food real fast. And actually, can we go back? We skipped something. We could just stay in line.
No, we skipped something.
The raffle noxious stuff. Can we just should we do food in order? Well, let's go ahead and go back to the raffles and
let's talk about the raffles and auctions. This is a very great idea of Offie, and she's really working on it.
Go ahead.
Okay. The raffles.